Hey, let's talk about Before Pay. If you've ever found yourself a little short on cash before payday, you might have come across this app. It promises quick access to a portion of your wages, and one of its biggest selling points is that it's interest-free. But what does that really mean? Is interest-free the whole story? So, here's the deal. Before Pay is a pay advance service. It's not a traditional loan. They allow you to access a portion of your earned wages before your actual payday. For example, if you've worked 2 weeks into a 4-week pay cycle, you can cash out a part of the money you've already earned. The key part is, when you do this, there is no interest charged on the amount you borrow. And that's a big deal, especially when you compare it to something like a credit card cash advance or a payday loan, which can have sky-high interest rates. Now, this is where we get into the but. While Before Pay doesn't charge interest, it does have a fee. It's a fixed, flat fee of 5% on the amount you cash out. So, if you need to access $100, the fee is $5. If you cash out $300, the fee is $15. You get the idea. You pay back the amount you borrowed plus this 5% fee on your next payday. The service is very transparent about this. They tell you exactly what you'll pay before you commit. This is different from a loan where interest can compound over time and make the final repayment amount feel unpredictable. With Before Pay, you always know what you owe up front. There are no hidden fees, no late fees, and no other charges. But is that 5% fee the same as interest? From a financial perspective, not exactly. Interest is typically a percentage charged annually or over a specific period on the outstanding balance of a loan. The total amount of interest you pay can change depending on how long you take to pay it back. The Before Pay fee, on the other hand, is a one-time charge for the service, regardless of when you repay it within their set terms. Think of it this way, the 5% is the cost of the convenience, the cost of getting your money now instead of waiting. It's a fee for a service, rather than a charge on a debt that grows over time. This makes it a lot more predictable and often much cheaper than a traditional short-term loan. So, to answer the question, is Before Pay interest-free? The answer is yes. But it's not free. There's a 5% fee for the service. It's a crucial distinction. It's an option designed to be a quick, one-time fix for a temporary cash flow problem, not a long-term borrowing solution. And that's the bottom line. Before Pay is interest-free, but it's not a free service. Make sure you understand all the costs and terms of any financial product you use.